Okay, so again we have here an interesting problem. Here we have here for the tank shown in the figure, H1 is known to be 3 meters, H3 is 4 meters. The question here, determine the value of H2. So what could be this height of the oil? Kung na-oil diha, then there water, then na kay water. Knowing that H1 is 3 and H3 is 4. So this will just be straightforward. Let's just make this short. The solution here is simply you connect points that you want to know. In this case, pressure man siya. Ang kabalo ka sure there is you know that the pressure here at the free surface and this free surface is atmospheric. Okay? Okay, they are exposed to the open to the atmosphere. So PA here will be the pressure here is 0, right? Okay, we call this A, point A, and we call this point B. Okay, we'll be able to solve for H by relating how do we go through to this height. Now, nga ng idea. From there, as you go down, what happens to the pressure? It will increase, right? Yes, it will increase. By how much? So PA, even if it's 0, we just write it there. Para lang kuan. PA, as you go deeper, it will increase. By how much? Well, rho GH. Rho is 840 for oil. G is of course 9.81. Height is of course unknown, H2. And as you go farther deeper, kumingon ta, well, as you go down, kay known man ang H2, you go down, then H1 will be, you go down by how much? By H1. So that will be then 1,000 raw for water times 9.81 times H1, which is 3 meters. So now, so dito po di mo cross diretso daan na bagay. Well, naman tayo boundary din na. So, pwede po ka mo move pa ka horizontally, nothing happens, right? Yes, wala may tabo. But as you move up, what happens to the pressure? Well, it decreases, right? So it will decrease, but wala man yung distance, we don't know. We could call that really x for the moment. So x na, for example. And we'll show later nga mo cancel lang na siya. It's not necessary, but I'm just trying to show it here para medyo dili ta maglibog. Now, as you move up, the pressure decreases by rho GH. Rho, same for water. G is 9.81. H is, well, by x. Move up by x, gamma, so negative kay up man. Move horizontally, well, as you move horizontally, nothing happens, right? Kay horizontal, there's no change in pressure kung horizontal. Dito lapas, wait. Dito mo lapas, para itong targeto ng B. Then, now, ano nga case, as you move down, gusto mo move down kay naman tayo measurement good daan eh. As you move down, by how much do you move down? Same, x lang gihapon. Okay, so move down by x, so therefore 1,000 times 9.81 times x. So simply mag-cancel lang gina sila, and it simply tells us that the pressure here and the pressure here is just the same. And now we go upward towards B. So the pressure decreases by rho GH, 1,000 times 9.81 times height, which is H3, in this case, which is 4, and the pressure at B, that is now equal to the pressure at point B. PB there, and in this case, PA and PB is just, could be set to 0, or they could just really be equal man sila atmospheric. And therefore, here, H2 could be solved. Therefore, H2 is equal to the value sa H2, 1.19 meters. Okay? In anak lang case, 1.19 meters. There are a lot of ways in solving this one. This is one of the way that I am familiar into. So that's the idea, and I hope you got something out of this.